Welcome. I welcome Arnaud Susplugas here with me. You are CEO of the French company Kyotherm, and you have just received an award on this conference, the Solar Heating and Cooling Award. Congratulations to that. You have received this award because you have a very special business model in your company. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Yes, Kyotherm is kind of an investment fund, but dedicated to renewable heating and energy efficiency projects. So we invest in projects like geothermal energy projects, biomass projects, of course solar thermal projects, but also other types of renewable heating like waste heat recovery or district heating networks.
You have recently started to do solar thermal, and you have announced what will be the largest solar thermal plant for industrial use. What is this project about?
So this project is about displacing gas consumption at an industrial site. It's a malting plant that is both drying and cooking the malt. And they have a pretty large consumption of gas. So we'll reduce their CO2 emissions with a large-scale solar industrial process heating plant. It's going to be about 11 megawatts, 14,500 meters square of solar collectors. And yes, construction is ongoing, and it's going to be the largest in Europe. Yes.
Very well done. So you offer these kind of finances to other solar heat technology suppliers?
Yes, of course. So this project is done with flat plate collectors from Savo Solar, the Finnish company. And we're also partnering with the engineering company Newit, kind of a developer also in this project, and Dalkia, which is a utility company. And we're really open to any kind of technology, and that's maybe one of the specificity of Kyotherm, that we're mainly a team of engineers, and we spend a lot of time understanding the technologies and finding the right financing solution and right contractual solution for the clients. And so we're open to concentrated solar, evacuated tubes, evacuated flat plate collectors, any kind of technology that is able to produce energy, or even we can also imagine desalination plants from solar energy. So yes, we're really open to any kind of technology.
I think you have a special approach to the market. You encourage the technology suppliers not to deliver hardware, but to sign heat supply contracts, which is something very special. What do you see the advantage of this business model?
Well, the main advantage is that instead of selling a very expensive equipment to a client with a very large upfront cost and the solar energy, you just have a solution that is energy as a service, which means the client pays as they go, and it does not have any investment on its side. He has savings from day one of production, and the other advantage is that the client has no performance or construction risk. I mean, if there is a problem with the construction, that's our risk. If there is a problem with the solar output of the system, then that's our risk. And if there is any delay or any refurbishment needs, then it's also our issue. So it's a very simple, cost-effective solution for the end users.
You are a newly startup, 2011 you founded the company. Are you satisfied with the development so far, and what are your next big visions you want to realize?
So when you look at the challenges of climate change, then I think you cannot be satisfied with what you've done. It's really humbling when you look at the amount of work that still needs to be done. But if we look at ourselves, yes, the story of Kyotherm has been very successful. We've had many successes in the, for example, geothermal sector was for example, a geothermal district heating network for Disneyland in Paris, a pretty large district heating network. And with that project, we're going to have almost free energy for the next 100 years to come. So it's very satisfying. And we've had also successes in biomass sector, waste heat recovery. So we're really happy. And our vision is that large-scale solar thermal energy is going to become a major source of energy in this century. I think the same success story as for photovoltaics is going to happen for solar heating and cooling on a large-scale basis. And I think we're here also to help the advent of this success with a low-cost financing and a very convenient solution for the end users.
Thank you very much. I wish you a very nice celebration for your award and have a good flight back.
Thank you very much.